You cannot fix what you cannot find. And in a grow room, the basil tray is not a location. Batches are how plant mood gives every tray cycle a name, a place, and a history. Batches is at plantmood.farm. Each batch is one grow run tied to a recipe, plant, status, floor position, and timeline. This is the central object in Plant Mood: orders, tasks, labels, the dashboard Gantt, and the operator map all point here. Status filter chips across the top let you narrow by seeded, germination, blackout, light, harvest now, harvested, failed, and archived. By default, the terminal statuses are hidden so you focus on active grows. A status help dialog explains what each state means. The table columns show plant, status, location, seeded date, and expected harvest with a countdown. Today, N days to go, or overdue by N days. Click any row to expand the batch details. Action buttons across the top cover photo upload, delete, tasks, side panel, update status, edit, harvest yield modal, and scan codes for labels. Subpanels show the photo strip, recipe link, seeded and expected dates, floor placement, and notes. Creating a new batch opens a drawer. Pick a grow recipe, set tray count, choose rack or tower placement on your farm design, and optionally pre-fill from an existing order. Saving creates the batch and auto-generates all recipe tasks. Update status uses radio buttons for each phase with optional notes. Moving a batch to harvested prompts, the yield modal, enter grams harvested, date, and packaging inventory deduction. Edit batch lets you fix phase dates, element placement, or notes. Batch schedule. Recalc recalculates all phase dates from an anchor point if you fell behind schedule. For exports, check individual batches, or use select all, or use the add by expected harvest and add by plant dropdowns to build a selection quickly. Download as CSV or Excel for records or sharing with a buyer. Batches link to orders, feed the dashboard Gantt, appear on the operator map, and drive label printing. If you only learn one manager screen, learn this one, sidebar, then batches. Link is in the description for signed-in users.